has so much to teach you. Get hype about life. Life is so good. Life is so good. Allow yourself to get hype about life. I've created a new Synergy product that will transform your energy and make your dreams come true faster. Life is so good. You know, life is so good when you're just hype. You're so hype about life and you just can't wait to get to the next chapter. You can write that chapter and have whatever you want, especially when you learn about synergy. Give it a try. Hurry up and get yours today.